this really is fun because we do, at our show, love a little friendly competition. These two are super friendly because they're husband and wife.
Yeah.
So they're going to battle it out, giving us the his and the hers versions of their top home tips. Please welcome back to our show Genevieve Gorder and her husband, Christian Dunbar, both fabulous designers. Are we going to let ladies go first, or you want to let the hubby go first?
What do you think?
Go ahead.
Okay, all right. I don't want to compete with him.
Smooth move.
I want to play with you. We're
Okay.
going to help each other. We all want a good board, right? There's like Instagram accounts just
on making a board.
And we got all into it, but the boards cost a lot. So going to your home improvement store and getting a marble tile, this can run you $10 to $15.
Which is fabulous.
You know, as opposed to a $90 tray. These are just candle pedestals that you can get at, you know,
cheap
the craft
and cheerful
store.
anywhere.
You
right.
might have them around the house. I do 2, and I'll make a longer
For a
board
little
like
stability,
this.
right.
And then you create your tiers, just like you
Right.
saw with David.
Yep.
This
Different
all in all,
heights.
less
Yep.
than $20.
Not bad. Well done.
Thank you very much. I'm done.
Sir.
So this is another version of that, and I got onto the idea of like using big marble tiles a few years back when I used to make a ton of like wooden chopping blocks and cutting boards. I was like, how can I do this easier? And I realized you can get it kind of done if you just go to your big box store. It really is just a matter of getting a 12 by 24 inch tile.
Which is about 15, would
Yeah,
you say?
yeah.
$15
about
a tile?
15 bucks. And it can be as simple as mixing together some 2-part epoxy.
At the
Of
hardware
course,
store.
2-part epoxy.
Sure.
$3. $3.
I know,
$3.
but just ordering it is going to be so empowering to me. I'd like 2-part epoxy, please.
If you don't know how to
I
buy
have
the
a project
epoxy,
at home.
you say, I'm going to be gluing metal to marble, and the hardware store will tell you exactly what epoxy to get. And we're doing this again for
For
around...
like 25 bucks.
Yeah. And you can just make many of them to do your whole buffet. Scale them up and down just like you
Beautiful.
would a bookcase.
Seriously,
Voila.
it's nothing.
And it's just a matter of putting handles on it to dress it up and some rubber feet on the bottom of it.
So you have a little,
Even little
stability.
felts that you put on your furniture, you just put under the bottom of the marble and you're done.
And you just made $100.
Well done. Back to you.
Okay.